What's up, IMers? It's Ike Paz here. I'm having some whiskey and going through my sales for my baby shower website. Yeah, this is a website I use as an example when it comes to passive income. Today I'm going to show you what passive income is, okay? Actually, for the past 7 days, I haven't had such a good run, but it's still a good lesson what passive income is, okay? This is, again, passive income. I'm going to show you, I'm going to give you a screen capture and everything, but just to make it nice and clear for you, passive income is something that you did a while back, or it could be yesterday, it doesn't matter. And it does its job on its own, bringing income passively without the need of you at all, okay? You don't have to do anything, right? You did what you did, your job is done. Now, your new creation could be whatever piece of content, whatever video, whatever affiliate product you're promoting, does the job for you. It's out there collecting traffic and sales, okay? So let me show you what this is all about. Okay, here I am for the sales for the past week. This is kind of disappointing for me, $129, but I want to show you what passive income is, okay? Let me show you, okay, exactly what passive income is, because people might have a misunderstanding. Okay, let's go to sales by product. Okay, go to sales by product. Let's so I've sold all of these types of baby shower printable games. Okay, let's go to dinosaur. Why not dinosaur? Okay, and I sold one. I just sold one, which came out to $11. Okay. Now you're like, what the? I don't give a fuck about that. But check this out. If I copy this, right, and I go to product search, and I click this particular product, right? Check this out. And then I go to end date and start date, and let's go back. Let's go back in time. Let's go back to 2013. Why not? And let's click on the 7th. Who knows? And click go. Okay. Check this out. Any day now. I made over $1,000 off this product. Okay. Okay. And now you might be asking yourself, well, when did you make this product? Check this out. Copy this. Go to my site. Let me show you exactly. So I probably made this product around this time, January, but I don't know exactly when. It's been a long time ago. So this is what passive income is. Passive income is something that you created a while ago, and it brings recurring profits time in and again, day in, day out. Okay, so let me go to edit product here. Let me show you exactly what this is all about. Okay, so I published this product on March 22nd, 2017. Okay, right now it's currently January 11th, 2019. Okay, I created this product, a couple years ago, and I made over $1,000, and it's doing its work. Like I just showed you, it made a sale. Hell, it made a sale this week. Okay, it made a sale this week, and I made it years ago. Okay, this is what passive income is all about, and this is what I teach within my Printly method. Actually, if you go to my site, let me show you. Not only do you learn about what Printly is all about, you also get custom bonuses that I created specifically for this product that I created myself. So you want to check it out. Check the link below, and let me know what you think. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. I want to hear from you. I want to know what you think Printly, how Printly can help you, and if you've ever profited or if you've ever created a printable before. Okay, take care. This is Ike Paz. Please don't forget to subscribe, because I will help you with your niche blog and your content. Take care and talk to you later. Bye-bye.